So I have officially converted to becoming a matcha drinker in the morning. I never thought that I would be that person, but ever since I've gotten hooked on this matcha drink, it has been revolutionary for me. Alright guys, so my base is on, as you guys can see, and we're going to be focusing just on the eyes. Are you guys ready for this? I'm actually using the new Natasha Denona BIBA palette. So excited. Picked this up at Sephora just yesterday, so now I'm filming. And let's look at the inside. So it does come, I like the packaging of this one better. It is a hard plastic, and on the inside comes with a nice big mirror. See, looks so good. And of course the shades in here, look at how pretty these shades are. Nice and neutral, a bit of cool tone. This is the row that we're going to be playing with today, so let's just get started. I'm going to zoom you guys in and we'll get started right away. So I've already put on my base, the Tarte Shape Tape and the Laura Mercier setting powder. And I'm thinking of making this a grungy smoky eye, something really easy that you guys can do. So the first shade that I'm going to go in with is Tar right here. And I'm picking this up on a Real Techniques shader brush. This is a really nice satin gray. It's not metallic, it's not completely matte, it has a nice sheen. And I'm not taking this high into the crease, I'm stopping right here on the mobile lid. Next, I'm going to take a Morphe E27 brush and I'm dipping into the shade Seed. And I'm just going to blend out any harsh edges. These eyeshadows are blending out beautifully. They're so buttery smooth. I love it. So I'm going in with Spot next. It's like a nice black shade. It has what looks like shimmer in it, but I don't think there is shimmer in it. It's more like a satiny or the wet to dry formula that she has. And I'm actually just going to take this to the outer V and darken this up. And then I'm going to take that same blending brush, the Morphe E27, and then just blend this out in circles. And I'm kind of bringing this into the inner portion of my lid to blend it out. I'm picking up Spot again on a Makeup Geek pencil brush, and I'm going to apply that on my lash line softly. And smudge this out. And I'm taking this all the way in as well. Now with this shade, I do see like a bit of fallout. Nothing crazy, but there is a little bit of fallout. This is an e.l.f. shader brush, and I'm just picking up Tusk right here. And I'm going to apply that as my brow bone highlight. This is a very appropriate name for this shade. It is definitely ivory. For the lower lash line, I'm picking up Tar again on the same Real Techniques shading brush, and I'm going to smoke it out. Next, I'm picking up Spot on a flat brush. This is a Royal & Langnickel brush. It's just flat like that, and I'm going to apply this to my lash line. Very close to it, just like a liner. And I'm also picking up Seed here and applying this to the lower lash line as well, just to blend it all out. Basically, whatever we did to the top, we're doing to the bottom. And then finally, one final clean sweep. I'm going to tightline with my black eyeliner, and you can use any color you want at this point. You can use brown, gold, you can leave it the way it is. You can put like a nude, but I actually want this to be nice and crunchy, so I'm going to go in and really, really make it dramatic. I'm going to apply the NARS Climax mascara. I picked this up yesterday. I've never used it before. I know a lot of people rave about it and I was really curious. So I'm going to give this a try and see how that makes my eyelashes look. And then I'm going to decide whether I want to put falsies or not. Alright, so what do you guys think? Leave me a comment below. Do you guys like this mascara or not on me? I personally think it's a nice one, but I still love my drugstore Colossal Big Shot mascara. I think that it holds the curl better and it just basically elongates my lashes even further. So I don't know how I feel about it yet. It looks good, but I'm not too crazy about it. But you guys let me know. For the lips, I'm keeping it very simple. I'm just taking a nude lipstick. This is called Hey Girl from Dose of Colors. I'm going in with a liner now, just on the edges. This is from Covergirl. This is called Smoky Intense. And then I'm just taking my NYX Lip Oil and then dabbing that on. And there you have it, guys. I decided not to put any lashes because I kind of like the no lash, very grungy, undone look. If you guys want to put lashes on, you definitely can. I know that this is a very common look here. It's not something which is very extraordinary, considering that I used the BIBA palette. But I was just playing around with the colors, and this is just literally my first impressions. So I am going to be doing more looks with this palette. For sure. More dramatic looks definitely coming on the way. I just wanted to sort of play with the colors and see what's going on over here. That's all I have for you guys today. Leave your comments down below. Like, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!